Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Dear student, look, today our lecture number 57 and topic is Assignment 2 Part 2. Okay, that means today I will teach you and I will give you a solution, okay, which is done for you. Okay, you see this is the CQ1. This is the CQ1. Okay, at first we read the questions. Look, clothing traders Amin and Shajol reached Naranganj after crossing 50 km in 4 hours. Okay, 50 km in 4 hours. Okay, that means this case is hold for Amin, and 50 to 1/2 km in 3 1/2 hours respectively, and 50 to 1/2 km in 3 1/2 hours. This is for Shajols. Now the traders got 10% profit by investing 2,20,000 taka. Okay, and dividends are divided in proportion to their speed. Okay, dividends are divided in proportion to their speed. This line is very much important. Okay, look, a number question, determine the speed of Shajol in per hour. Okay, that means you have to determine the speed of Shajol in per hour. That means in 1 hour. Okay, now write a number. Solution A. Okay, right. Look, 50 to 1/2 km in 3 1/2 hours respectively. That means this is the this case is hold for Shajol. Okay, right. In 3 1/2 or 6 plus 1 7/2 hours, Shajol crosses 50 to 1/2 km. That means 50 to 1/2 or 104 then 1. That means 105/2 km. Just friend, look, in 7/2 hours, Shajol crosses 105/2 km. You have to determine the speed for 1 hour. Okay, therefore, in 1 hour, Shajol crosses more kilometer or less kilometer compared to 7/2 hours. Obviously, this is the less kilometer. That means this will be the division 105/2 division 7/2 kilometer. You see, this is the division, so you have to write this in conversely. That means 105/2, you put multiplication sign and you write this in reciprocal form. That means you write 2 in numerator and 7 is denominator. Okay, now that means what? You see 2 and 2 vanish. Then if you divide 7 by 7, then we got 1. Similarly, if you divide 105 by 7, then you get 15. Okay, so you write here 15 kilometers. That means what we got? We got in 1 hour Shajal crosses 15 kilometers. Okay, this is the answer. You may write the answer 15 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the answer for A number. Now I will solve the question number B. A done. Now I will solve the question number B. You see, find the ratio of speed of Amin and Shajal. Dear student, observe here. We have determined the speed of Shajal in A number section, in A section. Okay, so right here B number, from A we have got Shajal crosses Shajal crosses 15 kilometers per hour. Okay. From A we have got Shajal crosses 15 kilometers per hour. Okay. Now you see the question. Amin in 4 hours Amin crosses 50 kilometers. Okay, in 4 hours Amin crosses 50 kilometers. Right now, right, in 4 hours, Amin in 4 hours Amin crosses 50 kilometers. 50 kilometers. Okay, therefore in 1 hour Amin crosses 50 by 4 kilometers. Okay. If you divide both numerator and denominator by 2, then we got 2 and we got in numerator 25. Aisha, that means 25 by 2. Okay, that means in 1 hour Amin crosses 25 by 2 kilometers. Okay. Now you see the question. Find the ratio of speed of Amin and Shajal. This is the case for Amin. Okay, that means Amin's speed 25 by 2 kilometer and Shajal speed 15 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now write the ratio of speed. Write the ratio of speed. The ratio of speed of Amin and Shajal. The ratio of speed of Amin and Shajal equal to what? You see, Amin 25 by 2. 25 by 2 is 2. This is called is 2. Okay, 25 by 2 and Shajal 15. Okay, just remember the unit has, in unit there is no unit. Okay, the ratio has no unit. Remember, the ratio has no unit. Okay, remember, ratio has no unit. Okay, therefore you see this is the fraction. So if you multiply both cases by 2, then we get 25 This 2 is vanished and we get 30. Okay. If you divide both 25 and 30 by 5, then we got 5 and we got 6. Okay. Okay, dear student, that means this is the speed of Amin and Shajal, right? Right, the required ratio of speed, the required ratio of speed of Amin and Shajal is 5:6. Okay, dear student, you see this is the solution for B. Okay, now I will solve the question number C because already B number done. Okay, now see the question number C. Find out how much money Amin and Shajal is received in dividends. Okay. Okay, dear student, right now this is the solution for C. Okay, at first you read the question. You read, the traders got 10% profit. You see, the traders got 10% profit by investing 2,20,000 taka. Okay, that means the dividends is 10%. Dividend is 10% of 2,20,000. Okay, right. Right. Dividends is, what is the dividends? Dividend is 10% of 2,20,000. Okay. Understood? Now this can be written as 10 by 100 of, okay, this will be 100. Percent means 1 by 100. Okay, you see, now you see there are 4 zeros and there are 2 zeros. If you divide 2,20,000 by 100, then you get, you see, 2 0 vanish, 2 0. Okay, then multiply this, then you get okay 20,000 taka. That means dividend is 20,000, 22,000 taka. Dividend is 22,000 taka. Okay, right. From B we have got the ratio of speed, the ratio of speed of Amin and Shajal 5:6. Okay, dear student, you look here. The ratio of speed of Amin and Shajal 5:6. Okay. Now, for solving C number question, we need this information. Okay. Now, right, from B we have got the ratio of speed of Amin and Shajal is 5:6. Okay. Now, right, sum of the ratios. 5 plus 6 equal to what? 11. Okay. Now see the question. Dear student, observe the C number question. Find out how much money Amin and Shajol is received in dividends. Okay. Now write Amin received of dividends received of dividends how much? You see, this is the ratio of Amin and this is the ratio for Shajol. Okay, so Amin received of dividends 5 by 11 of, what is the dividend? Dividend 22,000 taka. You see, 22,000 taka right here. $22,000. If you divide this by 11, then you get what? Now multiply this. That means Amin received of dividends 10,000 taka. Okay, now Shajol. Right. Shajol received of dividends how much? You see, this is the ratio for Shajol. That means 6 by 11 of, okay, if you divide this by 11, then you got 2,000 taka. Multiply this. Okay, that means look, Shajol received of dividends 12,000 taka and Amin received of dividends 10,000 taka. Okay, if you adding these two, that means 10,000 taka and 12,000 taka, then you got the total dividend, that means 22,000 taka. Okay, dear student, now we have to write the answer. Write the answer. Amin got 10,000 taka. Shajol got 10,000 taka. Okay, dear student, remember in B number I didn't write the answer. You see, there is the required ratio of speed of Amin and Shajol. If I have written the required, then no need to write the answer. Okay, mind it, dear student. Dear student, I hope you understood today's discussion. You keep practicing at home and you abide by your friends. You stay safe, stay well. See you again.